Scratchers! It is I, JustAPotato, and today we are gonna make my singing monsters in Scratch. Let's go. So, let's see in the box. We have my singing monsters on my alt. Let's click it and see what is in. Alright, we are in the project. Let's click and see inside. We have the mammoth, noggin, breeding structure, and nursery. Now, click remix, and let's start. It's remixing. Okay. Now, let's head to our mammoth. We're gonna start with him. Let's change his size to like 35. Yeah, like that. And also for noggin. Sorry, noggin. If you click their costumes, you will see that they have their epic, rare, and common. Also for the mammoth. Okay, let's get started with the noggin. When flag clicked, we're going to switch costume to noggin, but not noggin. We're just gonna pick random to 1 to 3, so it will be a choose random. See, there you go. Okay, now let us put our forever loop. Go to sound, play sound noggin until done. Let's see. Okay, now let's do it for the same to the mammoth. How we'll do this? We will remove that, drag this all the way here. Okay, there. Now we got this. Play sound mammoth. Okay, now we're going to click the flag together. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, Scratchers. I forgot to put the play sound. Okay, let's retry that again. 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we got ourselves our first two monsters. Now we're heading. Now let's make their eggs. Make a new sprite. We're going to zoom in and make in their egg. First, we'll start with the noggin. Make a round oval like this. Okay. Then now we're going to make ourselves a square box. Okay, go here. Make ourselves a square. Make sure it's no outline actually. Here. And then here. And then here. There we go. There we go. Smaller. Bend it over here. As you can see, we don't have an out. We can't see it. So we're going to give it an outline, not a black outline. A gray, a grayish, a dark grayish, like a dark gray, dark grayish outline, like this. There, good. But some of these need to have no, so we'll just turn these into 1, and these two, it will be 3. Okay, now we'll make a circle. We're going to make a circle which is gonna be light gray, and we're going to click on it, go to fill, and you will see these 3. Okay, click on the third one, this one there. Now click the color picker and click on the egg there. Now we can drag it here, crack it there like that. Okay, this seems a little plain, so we're going to grab the reshaper tool and pull all the way here until the end of here. There you go. There. Now our noggin egg is complete. And we forgot about mammoths. So we're gonna make his. Okay. Delete everything here. Okay. Now to make mammoth's egg, we're going to need some fur. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is make the ball white first. So go completely white like this. There we go. Looks white. Now we're going to grab the shaper tool, the line, and make it like a brightness of 31 maybe, and then we start drawing fur. So let's do that. Ta-ta-ra! Now we are made with our noggin and mammoth. Let's name this to noggin egg and mammoth egg. And we're gonna name this eggs. Alright, there. So now let's head to the breeding structure. This is the breeding structure. A breeding structure, when you put 2 eggs at once, it will make itself a it will breed a new monster. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, now when flag click, we're going to make ourselves a list. Okay, breeding. Okay, breeding combination. Okay, all right. Set the breeding combination for all sprites. There. Now we have this. Okay. All right. And we're also gonna make another one called. It's a variable. Breeding time. Okay. Ready? Set it to for all sprites too. Okay. When flag clicked, set breeding time to 0. Okay. Now, we will also make another one called breeding timer shown, question mark. Also for all sprites. Set breeding timer shown. to 0. Okay. Also, before going, let's hide this one. Also, hide breeding, and we'll replace it. Replace this block with hide breeding. Okay. Switch costume to costume 1, which is the normal one, and click show. There. Now, let's go here. We're going to make a long code containing this breed combination. Okay? Okay. Going to when flag clicked. Okay. Then we're going to put if and grab an and breed combination contains thing. Okay, we're going to duplicate it, put the in the other one. Contains noggin and mammoth if breed combination contains noggin and mammoth, then we're going to make a new one called results. Okay. Set to all sprites. Okay. Put it there. Replace item of one. Replace item 1 of results. Okay. With drumpler. There. So when we click the breeding structure, it will say what do you want to choose. So we will, and if we click mammoth and noggin, it will send a message to the breeding structure. Okay. So when sprite click, say where's that? Say which monster would you like to breed? Let's try. Let's remove these variables. Okay, let's try. Okay, there. Good. Okay. Now, we're going to head to the noggin. Okay? But before we go, we must make a broadcast. Okay? Go to broadcast, message 1. Okay. Now go name it breeding mode. Okay. Now we will grab a breeding. We will make a new variable called breeding in progress for all sprites. Set breeding in progress to 1. Okay. Grab an if and make sure it's circled. Okay. If not grab the breeding in progress equals 1 then it's going to activate this one. Which monster would you like to breed? If we do both of them, then it will make a drumpler. Okay, go to Noggin. Now let's head to Noggin. Let's start coding in Noggin. Okay. When we receive breeding mode, we have to wait. Where's that wait for? Wait until put an and block. Touching mouse pointer and mouse down. We're going to make a new variable called, wait, not variable, but a list. Rarities. Call it that. Call it rarities. Okay. Click it for all sprites. Now, we're gonna bring in an if else. Okay. If item rarity, if item 1 of rarities equals blank, which is 0, or we can do blank, we will replace, where's that replace block? Replace item 1 of rarities by dot here costume number. But if else, then replace item 2 with of rarities with costume number. Then we will grab the add thing to breed combination, and we're gonna put his name, Noggin, to breed combination. Okay. Now, we will make a broadcast called place egg, and place it below. Then we put an if below it, and length, we're gonna grab if length of breeding combination equals 2, then broadcast a new message called start breeding. Then we'll put stop this script there. Now we're gonna put another one when receive start breeding, then stop all, but no, we're gonna do other scripts and sprites. Now let's try. Bum, 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 click on the reading. Click on the reading structure. Hmm. It seems like it's not working. Why is that? Well, if we go here, it says here breed combination contains noggin. We added noggin to breeding combination, right? Let us see. Add noggin to breeding combination. Yes, but something's wrong. Let us see what's wrong. Okay, Be- since it didn't work, why? Because why? Yes, I'm not gonna tell you. You are gonna figure it out when we're done. Okay? Let's see. Hmm. Let's see. Let's put in set breeding in progress to 0. Let's just do it. Look at it. Click login. Hmm. Let's check, double check. Okay. Let us open our breed combination. When we click it, we can finally see that if we click it, it's a noggin. Okay. Head to the breeding structure. Okay. Delete all of breed combination when the flag's clicked. Click, and then boom. See? Okay. We just made ourselves a code where if we click, it adds to the breeding. Okay. Next. Now let's code the mammoth. Okay? Ready, everyone? When flag clicked, forever play sound mammoth until done. Alright. Now, we're gonna do the same, but it's gonna be different. So, we're going to grab noggin, put the code inside mammoth, eat it. There. Okay. Now, we will do this. We're going to add mammoth. Mammoth. Let's see if it will work. Login. Mammoth. Login. We just made ourselves. We just made ourselves. Now made ourselves a breeding function. But you see, nothing's getting out because we have nothing. Nothing. Nothing is coming because we have no other monster yet. So, how do we do that? Well, that will be in the next episode, my friends. Bye, everyone!